your thesis statement. So at this point in time, you are ready to begin organizing the different information that you have gathered from the different documents that we've analyzed in order to insert that information into our graphic organizer. Our graphic organizer is important because this will allow you to gather all of the information you will need to write your DBQ. The purpose of the graphic organizer is to include your thesis statement, to include the different documents that you're going to use in your social, political, and economic paragraphs. Now, with our graphic organizer, we do not need to write incomplete sentences. Instead, we are writing the key details that will support your claim about how Nazis changed life for Jews socially, politically, and economically. For example, if I was to say that document 1 showed a social change because it showed that Jews were being targeted specifically by the Nazis, I would put document 1 information in the first body paragraph section, and I would label that body paragraph section social change. In addition, I would connect that to other things that we've learned in class so far. What I mean by that is where it says outside information, I would include anything outside of document 1 that is related that would aid in your understanding of that document or would aid in you explaining information for that document. You will complete this process for the social, political, and economic sections. On your graphic organizer, you will notice that those are labeled. On this one, it is blank. After you conclude adding in the necessary information, thus your basic ideas about what you will write in each paragraph, your job is to create information regarding synthesis. Synthesis is your ability to connect what you are learning about in class to other periods of time. What I mean by that is, can you compare the experience that the Jews faced to any other that you know of? Maybe you can connect this to themes like immigration or discrimination of any kind. An example of this would be to say that African American people experienced discrimination during the early 1900s into the 1960s. Therefore, the civil rights movement became well known and came out of that time period. It is important that you have outside information in addition to referencing the different documents, because this will allow you to provide your audience with more detailed information as you begin to write your DBQ.